Here's the question then. Bit of bookwork first, and part B and C. So I'm going to go with it now. I've summarised the question over the page. So here's the bit of bookwork then. First of all, Sn is equal to arithmetic progression is a plus d. Then the third term, a plus 2d, plus dot dot dot, plus the last but one term is a plus n minus 2d. And then the nth term is a plus n minus 1 lots of d, and that's the nth term. Writing it in reverse order, we've got a plus n minus 1 d, a plus n minus 2d, plus all the way down to a plus d plus a. So this is 1, this is number 2, so 1 plus 2 gives 2Sn is equal to, add them up then, we get 2a plus n minus 1d here, plus that one, plus this one, and this one, and that's another 2a plus n minus 1d, all the way down to this one, and this one, that's another 2a plus n minus 1d, and in total there's n times. So we can now tidy that up. That implies then Sn will equal n lots of this 2a plus n minus 1d, and we can move the 2 from times to divide. So there's the bookwork done for the sum over an arithmetic series. Now we're told Sn is 360, a is 3 and d is 2, find n. So 360 is equal to n over 2, 2a, 2 3s is 6, plus n minus 1 times d, which is 2. So that implies then 720 is equal to 6n, 6n there, I'll move the 2 up and I get 6n plus, oh hang on, let's try and tidy this up first, n over 2, what do we get? We get 2n and 2n, minus 2 plus 6 is minus plus 4. So the 2's will cancel anyway, won't they? So there's no need to move the 2 up there. So we get 180. No, sorry, 360 rather. 360 is equal to, take a 2 out from here and that will cancel with underneath, and we'll have n plus 2. So that says n squared plus 2n then, expand this bracket, minus 360 equals 0. Let's factorise this. Have we got factorising it? Okay, what have we got then? We've got an n and an n. Now 360 is 18 times 20, and that's a difference of 2. So it's plus 2, so it would be minus 18 plus 20. So that tells us that n is equal to minus 20 or 18, isn't it? So n must equal 18 because it's a positive number of terms. So n is equal to 18. So I'm just going to check the solutions for these two now in between. So we had that bookwork, and then n is 18 on the second one. N is 18. Good. So now we'll move on to part C. So the 10th term of this AP is a plus 9d is equal to 7 lots of the third term, a plus 2d. So a plus 9d is equal to 7a plus 14d, isn't it, when you expand the bracket? So 6a, so, and this moves over there, minus 5d is equal to 6a. That's the first thing to say. The 8th term plus the 9th term is 80, so the 8th term is a plus 7d plus the 9th term a plus 8d. What's the 9th term? Is equal to 80. So 2a plus 15d equals 80. Okay, so 6a is that. So here times by 3. So 2 times by 3 then, we'll get 6a. 3 of these, 45d, is equal to 3 of these, 54. Okay, good. Now we know 6a is minus 5d. So minus 5d plus 45d is equal to 54. Because 6a was minus 5d, so I put it in. So I get 40d is equal to 54. So d is equal to 54 over 40, which is 27 over 20. And a, and then a will equal minus 5d over 6. Move the 6 down and it's times d, 27 over 20. So that would be a 4. There would be a 3 coming here. That would be a 9. So you'd have minus 9 over 8. Minus 9 eighths is A. And there's D. Okay, let's just check that. And we'll find out where we've gone wrong. If we have gone wrong, because it doesn't look very friendly. Right, so we've got A as minus 5 and D as 6, and I've made a mistake somewhere. Let's have a look then. So hopefully I wrote down the question correctly. Let's just check the question. The 10th term is 7 times the third term. 10th term, 7 times the third term. And the 8th and 9th terms, the sum of those two terms of the series is 80. 8th term is A plus 8D. 8th term is A plus 7D plus 9th term is A plus 8D. 8th and 9th term. Yep, so they're right. So that's good. So 2A plus 15D is 80. So I don't know why I wrote 18 from 80. So there's the mistake. So let me just correct it quickly. And then times that by 3 is 240, which is good. 240. Okay, good. So that would equal 240 here. So apologies for that. Let me just quickly change it. 240, and this would be 240, wouldn't it? So D would equal 6, wouldn't it? That would be 240, and that would be 6. Just put it in quickly. And then A, minus 5, and D is 6. So you've got Okay, so we've got minus 5 over 6 times d, which is 6, so a equals, the 6's cancel, minus 5. Apologies for that, I wrote down 18 instead of 80 for some bizarre reason.